Well, it rained on and off today, so I couldn't record, but I did do quite a bit of work today. It has signs of life. Not good, mind you, but there are signs of life. There should be enough for me to be able to move around the backyard here, flip around, and put her right where this camera's sitting. So, just a quick one today. Pay no attention to this wiring nightmare behind me because it's all getting ripped out anyway. Anyway, like if you like this video, dislike if you thought it sucked, or do whatever. I mean, it is YouTube.